Our ancestors used to cook their food either directly on fire or using pots made out of clay. With the advance in technology, we have developed much better appliances, and in doing so we have also lost the food's real taste and nutrients. People in South Asia specifically use clay pots for cooking Indian foods. These pots are called Meti Handi, according to the people of Odisha, and the secret behind the delicious taste is not the recipe but actually the clay pots in which the food is cooked. So how do pots made from clay develop taste in food when cooking Indian style? Yes, granted, preparing food in clay pots might take a lot of time, but the food is, without any doubt, much richer in flavor and nutrients. Let's discuss some of the benefits of cooking in a pot made out of clay. 1. Naturally sweetens the food. Some of the meals require sweeteners to develop the desired flavors. For example, in cooking meat, potatoes, fish, and rice, the sweetener helps soften the meat and reduces calorie intake. This is the major reason why herbal tea and normal teas are still boiled in clay pots, because it enhances the taste by using the natural constituents of the clay rather than any steel or other metallic utensils. 2. Preserving nutrients. Clay pots for Indian cooking maintain the temperature and the moisture content of the food by preventing the steam from evaporating. The essence of the food is preserved with the natural element of clay. It absorbs the heat and provides the optimum environment for the process. 3. Non-reactive. The steel and aluminum utensils which we use nowadays dissolve in our food while cooking and are dangerous for our health as they cause diseases like Alzheimer's disease. Clay is a naturally existing material that contains no such harmful material. A clay pot, as you would expect, are inert in nature and do not react with food components. 4. Cooks slowly. Experts say that by cooking food on a low flame, the nutrients of the meal are properly extracted, and it is a vital step in producing the flavors. It takes time to cook, but a wise person once said, "The fruit of patience is sweet." Clay pots are tremendous utensils that can be used for this purpose without burning the food. 5. Keeps the food warm. Clay, by design, is an element capable of conserving heat, which ensures that the food is kept warm for hours. And there would not be any need to reheat your food in the microwave continuously. The radiation from the microwave could make the food radioactive and harmful to your health instead of benefiting from it. Conclusion. We should use clay pots in our daily routine to cook healthy food full of nutrients and taste instead of using hazardous aluminum utensils. Clay pots have various benefits besides conserving the heat and taste, as they also add up to the kitchen aesthetics. Thanks for watching. Please check out previous videos, I know you'll love it too. Click the free subscribe button before that getting paid, and hit the bell icon for upcoming fantastic cooking tips and facts. Bye.